Hello, today I'm going to be showing you how to undress and redress the Yogibo Pod X. Flip it upside down, find your zipper, unzip the cover. The easiest way to remove the cover is take hold of the handle, grab the beanbag, pull apart, rotating, just keep pulling it apart until the cover comes off, just like so. If you're refilling your beanbag, what you're going to need to do is locate the lock zipper. The lock zipper has special functions so it doesn't move and so it doesn't spill bead all over your house. To unlock the lock zipper, you can use a zip tie, paper clip, or even bread ties. Then you're going to flip it up and we're going to explain the three main parts of the Pod X. So you have the small top piece, the big bottom piece, and the side seams. What you're going to want to do while building it is align the cover's top handle with the small top part. This makes it easier zipping it up at the end as well as making it have a better shape. So what you're going to want to do is kind of ball up a little bit of bead at the top, grab your cover, pull it over. Like I said, just lining up the handle with the top best you can. Then pulling it over, you're going to grab the zipper, pinching your elbows in, shaking towards you, pulling the cover towards you, getting the bead in there. Same thing on this side. Now that you have the bottom facing you, what you're going to want to do is find this bottom seam and pull the zipper to it. Lining the seam up just makes it easier to zip. Once you get here, flip the cover over, zip it up, tuck in your zipper, and that is how you build your Yogibo Pod X.